Guys, tonight we are making teriyaki beef lettuce cups. All right, guys, so when we go camping, one of my biggest goals is to have yummy, delicious food. And sometimes I do like to make that healthy. So tonight with our dinner, this is something that I came up with that I did a lot of the prep at home so that now while we're here, we're probably gonna have dinner together in about 10 minutes. Hey, you should actually time me. That'd be fun. So let's get going. Ready?
Let's do it.
So one of the key steps to making this a super fast camp dinner or lunch is that I did a lot of the prep at home. So I went ahead and chopped up some purple cabbage because I'm also using this for another recipe. I shredded the carrot and I chopped the onion. But listen, when you pre-chop onion, you have to double bag it. Otherwise, your whole fridge and everything in your fridge will smell like and or taste like onion. Another key thing that I'm doing is I'm just using jarred teriyaki sauce. Take your pick. I just picked this one at Walmart and it's P.F. Chang's. So I think it should be great. All right, so first we're gonna start by warming up our skillet. So we're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. The reason I like avocado oil is because it's a high heat oil, and because we're sauteing and cooking kind of quickly, this will handle the high heat that we'll be using. Ooh, high heat. All right, so first we're gonna add in the onion because it usually takes a little bit longer for it to get soft and tender.
Just the smell of onions is just so good.
I love it. You know how people say that they like will bake cookies before they sell a house? You know, so that, or before they show a house, so that it smells good. I mean, if you had sauteed onions and garlic and celery before I came over, I'd probably buy the house.
That was a thrill ride you got.
It was a good ride. It was really pretty. The Turkey, was it Turkey Canyon or Turkey Canyon?
Onion.
Was really, really pretty. I loved it. It was such a nice ride. Not too bumpy either, but like still interesting enough. And the canyon walls were just beautiful and covered in cactus and other indigenous plants. All right, now we're starting to get some color on the onions. So let's go ahead and add in the cabbage next. And here's the thing, you don't want to add so much. I mean, you can add so much of the vegetables, but I just want enough to bring color and texture to it because I really want the showcase to be the ground beef and the teriyaki sauce. But I like my food colorful. So you want to cook the cabbage until it just starts to get tender. So that'll be ready to mix in with the ground beef. All right, now we're gonna add in a sprinkle of the carrot. Because it's so finely shredded, it really doesn't need that much time to cook, or really any at all, but I figured I might as well put it in. Now let's go ahead and pull it off so we can start the ground beef.
Thumbs up.
Was that 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Well, we're filming. You, like,
I know.
right?
Go.
All right, now this may not be pretty, but when I went grocery shopping, I had found a 2.5 pound block of ground beef. So I just went ahead and cut it up and then put it in the freezer. So this is about 1 pound of ground beef that we're gonna add to the skillet and cook till browned. So you just want to make sure and break it up into little pieces and cook until browned. And really there's no preference. If you want to use 80-20, just make sure to drain off the fat. I'm pretty sure this is 90-10, so I'll probably just leave that little bit of fat in there for flavor. Because, Max, fat means flavor. Probably should have done it on that eye, because I think this is the one that's like wonky.
So, any first observations about the camp chef versus the partner?
So we noticed this last time, and I keep thinking about it, is that the camp chef will hold a low temperature very evenly and very steadily, whereas our partner steel has always struggled with that. Is that once you try to get it low, it'll like either blow out or just go out. It doesn't hold low very well. It likes medium or high. Open. Yes. Okay. I believe we're ready to start dumping stuff in. All right. Our ground beef is all brown. Now we're ready to add in the vegetables. And because I like color, I'm gonna add a little bit of fire roasted corn. All right. Now I'm only gonna use maybe not even half of this probably, because I have another recipe in mind that I'll be using the rest of this for. Oh, that looks so pretty already. All those colors, the orange, yellow, purple. All right, now let's add our sauce. Okay, I just grabbed classic teriyaki sauce. Feel free to do sweet and sour, whatever your favorite Asian sweet and sticky sauce you like. Now we will probably add more, probably all of this, because I like sauce.
Good Lord, woman. You could have started slow.
Nah, not in my book. But watch, when I mix it together, it's going to be just right, yes.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, see?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't doubt the cook.
No, you shouldn't.
Oh, that just changed the smell.
Yeah, you smell the ginger, the soy sauce. That looks pretty.
Dang.
That corn was a good choice, Sarah.
Yeah.
Let's see how low we can get this. All right. All right, so here I've got some romaine lettuce. Now, what would really be great is the Bib lettuce with super soft, super bright green. Oh, I love it so much. But I had romaine that needed to be used up, and I'm all about using up what you bought the first time. So we're gonna fill these up and eat them. All right, now we're just gonna fill up these lettuce cups. Oh, that looks so pretty next to the green. Lovely. All right, you stay in there now, friend. I don't think he will. We'll have to work on him. Okay, there we go. All right, now I don't know if this is in true Asian style, but I really thought a little bit of citrus added to this would just really top it off. So we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice. So we'll just cut a tiny little wedge. We'll squeeze it over the top. Just a little bit. Okay. Now, I wanted to try one with some sriracha wing sauce that I have, you know, because sometimes I like things spicy, and I know y'all do too. So let's add a little bit of spice to one. Now, to really top them off, I want them to be really pretty. So we're gonna add a little bit of white sesame seeds. All right, let's take a bite. We're gonna go classic first, and then we'll try the spicy one next. Ready?
Ready.
I always take too big of a bite before I can talk. That is good. The teriyaki sauce is sweet and tangy. And I love the crunch of the lettuce underneath. Oh, it's just such a great vessel for this. But I especially love the coloring. I love the purple cabbage, the green carrot, and the white sesame seeds. Oh my gosh, against the green. So pretty. I love it. But now I want a bite of the spicy one. I'll be totally honest. All right, now we're gonna try the one that has the spicy sriracha. You get that hit of the sriracha right away, but it's cooled off by the sweet teriyaki sauce. That is really good. I think that's my favorite.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Tasty. Mm-hmm. Let's get it.
Let's do it. Dinner's ready.
Now it's my turn, and she didn't quite make it in 10 minutes, but it's because I was bugging her with the film. Totally could do it in 10 minutes, though, I believe.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That is so good. That is so good.
And I'll try it with this.
Little sriracha. Mm-hmm.
Even better.
Mm. Like, it was here. It was good. And then it just went boom.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Good job. Make this.
What is orange thing?
She talking to you?
No, but she's staring. There's a little bug on the lens. Can you see it on there? Dirt. I'm gonna do that one more time. All right, so here I've got some that fly. The flies are gonna be bad now. I'll have to hurry. Okay, now to really top them off.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what that is. Is that something out of corn?
Ew, I don't know. Must be.
Take two.
Yeah.